Hello viewers and my dear students. Welcome to session 11 on projection of solids demo. Now we'll be doing a demo on a square prism involving beta construction using solid edge. This is in fact problem number 3 what I've done under different sessions under prisms. With the same problem I've already explained. This here I'll be telling you how to do the same problem using solid edge. This is in fact problem number 21 in my notes also what I've linked to different playlists. Okay, these are all prepared by me, Dr. B. Gurdat, former professor and head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Care Road, Bangalore 4, and presently working as professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, Bangalore 64. Okay, see here, now I'll take a problem now. This problem is a square prism of base sides 35 and axis 60, okay, has one of its base edges on HP. See here, I have been telling you repeatedly, in any problem, no, in any problem in solids or plane surfaces, first you see edge position or whether it's resting on edge on HP or corner on HP and all that. For triangular lamina, triangular pentangle lamina and all that, edge and corner positions are same. In the same way, triangular pyramid, pentagonal pyramid and all that, that is edge corner positions are same. But for square lamina, square prism or square pyramid or square prism, edge corner positions are different. Now here it's a square prism of some sides, some 35 axis 60 as one of its base edges on HP. That means it is resting on base edges on HP. That's why you have to take edge position compulsorily. Okay, it is base edges on HP. It is not square prism is not resting on one of its corners of the base on HP. It is resting on one of its base edges on HP. Okay, did you follow? Now we'll draw square prism of size 35 and axis 60 in the edge position and try to know. There are so many commands to be understood. Slowly we'll do. Please try to understand. Okay. Now as you see here, I've told you already these things under sheet setup. Okay. You see that A4 no background and all that. Okay. Say okay. These things you initialize and although also in the format style. Okay. You see that under modify under units mm1 round off to 1, secondary units also mm1 and text also compulsory times New Roman 4. Okay, if you have it, okay, your dimensions will look better and then you say apply. Okay, now this is the thing. And also I have told you under tools, no, alignment indicator and maintain relationship should be on. Under Intellisketch, you see that compulsorily these things are on, particularly intersection point, end point, midpoint and all that. These will be helpful in any problem. Unless you sense the intersection points, unless you sense the end point, midpoint properly, you won't get the projections properly. Okay. Now we'll start doing this problem. Okay, we'll start with an XY line. 0.13 only you take, continuous line. Okay. You draw one line. Okay. Immediately before forgetting, draw times New Roman. You see here times New Roman 4 should be there. Better this will be XY capital is you write VP HP and all that you write. Okay. Then you do this X Y VP HP you write. Now it is a square prism. Okay, it's a square prism of sides 35 and height 16 edge position. That is why first you draw one square. Square you see here, square you can directly draw top, you know. You draw one square. 50 you draw. 50 one vertical. 50 horizontal also. Oh, this square prism. 1 minute. We'll verify it is square prism of sides 35. Sorry, it is square prism of sides 35. Square prism of sides 35 it is. Okay, draw one 35 size, not 50. 35. Then again 35. Then this is 35. You wait for the alignment indicator and finish this problem. This is the top view of that. Okay. Anyway, I'll tell you what exactly is the thing. Okay. First, you take the projectors up. Take the projectors up. Okay. And this is the square prism of size 35 and height 60. Okay. Height 60. You see here, I'll make it 0.5. From here, I'll go to a height of 60. You see that this height is 60. Okay, and see that this side is 35. Okay, this we already done 35 and 60. See here, these things. What you should know carefully here is square prism. As you are aware, it has made up of, that is, 4 base edges, 4 top square edges, okay, 4 vertical edges, totally happening here. That is why A bracket A1, B bracket B1, C bracket C1, D bracket D1. In that way you do. Okay. Now if you do this, take the thing. This will be A bracket A1. This will be B bracket B1. This will be C bracket C1. This will be D bracket D1. Okay. See here, once you do this, okay, what you should know here is, carefully see. Here, I have drawn AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1. And can you understand there are 12 edges already? You please understand. A, B, C, D is the top surface, 4 edges. A1, B1, C1, D1 is the bottom surface, another 4 edges. AA1, BB1, CC1 and DD1, 4 vertical edges, totally amounting to 12 edges. This you should never forget. Okay. Now, once you do this, we'll start naming the front view also. See here, this is the top surface. This is the bottom surface of the square prism. Correct, no? Top surface, bottom surface. Okay. Bottom surface, this point is B dash bracket A dash. This bracket is C dash bracket D dash. Bottom, no? Bottom surface. B1 dash bracket A1 dash, this point. This point is C1 dash bracket D1 dash. In that way, we'll make all that ready now. B dash bracket A dash. Okay. C dash bracket D dash. B dash bracket A dash, C dash bracket D dash. Then B1 dash bracket A1 dash, B1 dash bracket A1 dash, then C1 dash bracket D1 dash. Okay, in that way you make it, you push it respectively. See here, this is B dash A dash, point, correct now? B is seen, A is not seen, B dash A dash. This is C dash D dash point. Okay, this C is seen, D is not in, C dash D dash point. Then bottom, no, same thing. B1 is seen, A1 is not seen. That is why this you name it as B1 dash bracket A1 dash. Okay, and this one C1 is seen, D1 is not seen. C1 dash bracket D1 dash. Okay, in that way, you have completed the top view and front view, and finally you show the axis also. Axis, no? Okay. You just see this, the center to center I've written, and this point, okay, center point, this I'll call it as O bracket O1 and O dash O1 dash. Also make it ready. Okay, from see here, from here I'll take a projector here. From here I'll take a projector up till here and up till here. Since it's a axis is an imaginary line, never darken it. You make it thin only. Okay, make it thin. And this particular portion, no, axis representation compulsorily. I've been telling you again and again, it should be in this way only. Okay, then you see here, this is the axis point, correct? No? Okay, axis point is this. O bracket O1, so center to center, center of this square actually, O1. Then this will be O dash. This will be O1 dash, bottoms. Okay, this is O dash, this is O1 dash. In that way, I completed the top view, front view in all all angles. It's perfect. It is. Now see here, it is clear. In the top view, you have 12 edges. That is A, B, C, D of the top surface, 4 edges. A1, B1, C1, D1 of the bottom surface, another 4 edges, 8 edges. AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, another 4 edges. In that way, 12 edges are over here. Now I've taken the front view. Height is 60, 35, height is 60. B dash bracket A dash. This is C dash bracket D dash. And B1 is seen, A1 is not. B1 dash bracket A1 dash. C1 dash bracket D1 dash. And show axis also, O dash, O1 dash. This is O1. Now in the, you account for 12 edges in the front view. Now top surface 4 edges, no. Bottom surface 4 edges, no. 8 edges are. Here, vertical edge BB1 is merging with vertical edge AA1, 2 edges. Here, vertical edge front edge is CC1 merging with back edge DD1. That means here 2 vertical edges, here 2 vertical edges, one behind the other. In fact, this is a triangular surface. This is a rectangular surface. This is also a rectangular surface. I think you can follow because this entire thing BB1, sorry, CC1, DD1, CD, C1, D1 will make one rectangle. Even here also, BB1, AA1, AB, B1A1 will make another rectangle. That's why you should know that this is actually a rectangular surface. But when you are looking from here, if I want to give the number of edges, no, you see here, this is top 4 edges, bottom 4 edges, BB1, AA1, 2 edges, vertical, that is 2 merging vertical edges, CC1, DD1, 2 merging edges, one behind the other, you show. And as I said, to continue this, actually, if you that is, if you zoom it to some extent, it look better. And also, more than anything else, you can operate easily. Okay, now this has been done up till here. Now the question is, the square prism is resting on, has one of its base edges which is axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Now, I can either tilt left or right. Whether I tilt left or right, it will be resting on edge only on HP. Okay, you tilt right such that the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, which we'll do in the next session. Okay, now I'll tilt right or tilt left. If I tilt left, it will be resting on B1 A1 on HP. If I tilt right, it will be resting C1 D1 on HP. This we'll do in session 12. Now this session 11 is over at this stage. We'll continue this problem in the next session. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks friends. Thank you viewers.